Hello friends, today we are going to do course 5 of B.Ed. B.Ed means Bachelor of Education, and there we are going to read the subject Understanding Disciplines and Subject from their Unit 1 Education as Interdisciplinary Field of Study. We are going to read about it. So our first topic is education. What is education? Education is nothing, it's a process. It's a process of acquiring of knowledge. It's a process of acquiring of knowledge, skill, moral values, belief, and habits. So that is what our education means. So it's nothing but acquiring knowledge, any type of knowledge. If you are gaining knowledge from outsider, if you are gaining knowledge from your school friends, from your teachers, all type of knowledge. Not only knowledge, not only we are talking about knowledge, but we are talking about skills, that what we are learning, moral values, how to respect anyone, how to show honor to them, believe what you are thinking, what others are thinking, and what are your good habits, all comes under education. Now comes to branches. Branches of education. What are the branches of education? It could be your sociology, it could be your geology, it could be your physics, chemistry, biology, anything. All the subjects that you read every day, or the subject that we opt, those are all our branches of education. Sociology, geology. If we are talking about science, then science is having three sub branches: physics, chemistry, biology. Physics, chemistry, biology, maths, all are these our branches of education. Now always remember that education can be of two types. One is formal, another is informal. What do you mean by formal? Formal means here the education that is obtained by the trained teachers in a structured and systematic form. So formal education means the education that is obtained by the trained teachers. All the trained teachers will provide us education, and that is in a structured and systematic form. Like teachers impart knowledge to students, that's a formal education. And if we are talking about informal, the education that is obtained from our surroundings, all our surroundings of the society, from family, anyone, from strangers, from relatives, friends, family members, workers, environments, all are our informal education. Okay, now we will be reading the most important thing, that is called, why is education called interdisciplinary field of study? Let's begin. Now, why is education called interdisciplinary field of study? Now, before moving towards the main point of this question, let me first of all tell you what do you mean by interdisciplinary. This refers to the combination of two or more academic discipline. Discipline means here subjects. Discipline means subjects. So combination of two or more academic disciplines into one, that is called our interdisciplinary. Now when the interaction between different disciplines such as physics, chemistry, better example is physics, chemistry, biology, history, geography. So if the interaction of different discipline is required to solve the day-to-day social problems, a single discipline means, think about only physics. This physics cannot help us to cope up with any difficult situation. Let me give you an example. When we read about a reign of a king, we come to know about his past. First of all, we come to know about his past, and that is history. History tells us. Then, which regions were ruled by him? That we come to know from the geography portion. Again, what character did he possess? That we come to know from psychology portion. Again, how much income is generated in his kingdom? That we come to know from economics. And what special monument did he build in his time? That we come to know from archaeology. So this is how every discipline or every subject is interrelated. See, history, geography, psychology, economics, archaeology, these all are nothing but the branches of education, and these are interrelated. All we are talking about king, and only of the king we come to know history, geography, psychology, economics and archaeology. So all the disciplines are interconnected. So we have to remember that education is nothing but interdisciplinary field of study. Means if we will be reading all the subject, then that will give us interdisciplinary knowledge. But if we read about one, then we can't cope with any other difficult situation. So this is what I have to tell about education as an interdisciplinary field of study. Thank you.